Are you ready for day 2 of our 2-week plan to get your house ready for the market? You know where we're going. We talked about it the other day. We're headed to the kitchen. Now, don't be overwhelmed. We can get through this. Start with the pantry. When you're in the pantry, you're going to get rid of anything that is expired or that you're not going to use between now and when you move. Okay? Then when you load everything back in, use some pretty baskets or add some adjustable shelves because we want the pantry to appear really organized. Buyers love to open up that pantry, and when they see how organized you are, they think, of course, they're going to be that organized too. We know the truth, but it's okay. After you finish the pantry, go over to your cabinets and your drawers. Anything that is, first of all, no longer useful, that you don't use anymore, either donate it or get it packed. Any little gadgets that you don't use regularly, that you don't need every time you make dinner for the family, those can be packed. By getting these items out of the kitchen, we're going to give the appearance of more space. And what buyer doesn't want to see more space? Okay. And next, we're going to look at those cabinet or the countertops. I want you to get rid of all the appliances that you don't use on a daily basis and pack them away or stow them away in a cabinet. Then just leave out just the bare minimum of those countertop appliances and maybe 2 or 3 colorful accessory items just to bring a punch of color to the kitchen. And finally, over on that refrigerator, I know that can be the hub of the home with invitations and schedules and such, but we need to clear all of that off, no magnets, no pictures, just to give it a nice clean look. See, how hard is that? You're going to get through that kitchen in no time. And then our next stop will be the living room.